Hi guys, my name is Mary and I am the creator of Yegos. So real quick, today I wanted to tell you how to put your SI joint back in place, or if you have sciatic problems, low back problems. Typically students come to me and they say, you know that little bone right there to the side, whenever I bend over or try to stand up, I have pain there. And so whether you're a student or you sit all day, what's happening is your pelvis is in 3 different pieces. When you sit down, it kind of separates out and loosens up. When you stand up, these pieces lock in. They're your ilium and your sacrum. So what happens is sometimes that joint gets inflamed or kind of twisted. So what do? With Yegos, you can grab your wedges, one of my favorite things for wrists. You are trying to basically lift one hip bone and the opposite thigh bone. And you're going to do it on both sides. If you have a sandbag, a 10-pound bag of rice, something, put a little bit of weight on your back, even better. If you are having this problem, do it on both sides. We are going to take the wedge underneath one thigh, making sure that it does not go past the little cusp or dip of your hip. And then the other block is going to go up underneath that hip bone and not touch your thigh. And so basically what I do anytime that I've gotten inflamed, I don't necessarily do it as often anymore, because I don't try to be Gumby in class as much as I used to be, but you know, hey. So I've got it underneath the front of one hip bone, my right one in this video, and underneath my left thigh. Right now I can feel how my pelvis is a little bit shifted. At this point, lightly, you can do it, have someone else do it. Put a sandbag on your back and lay here. That's all you have to do. You can turn your head side to side. Whatever I do on one side, I do on the other. And so even if I'm feeling pain on one side, I will always do this on both sides. It's a gentle way of letting your SI joint kind of settle back in. And if it's twisted, and it also allows just the muscle, it also allows the muscles to release a little bit and the joint to get some relief. So both sides, underneath one hip bone and the opposite thigh. If you have weight, put it on your low back closest to your tailbone. Lay there 5 minutes, do each side. Do it over and over again, once or twice a day if applicable, until your pain goes away. It's always worked for me. Hope it works for you. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys.